Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Buick Enclave Avenir. It's a smooth sounding V6, so I'm going to go ahead and close it up. This vehicle is a front wheel drive. And those LED headlight surrounds aren't flickering to the human eye, that's just the refresh rate of my camera that's giving us that. Also, it has painted alloy wheels, fog lights up front, has turn signal indicators in the mirrors, dual exhausts, and dual sunroofs. It does have captain's chairs in the second row. There's black leather with gray accents, and these captain's chairs are heated, as you see there. Have honeycomb floor mats, and there's the back seat. And I'll go ahead and give you a shot of those dual sunroofs. Out of the VIN right there. Has a Bose sound system and 2 driver presets. I'm going to turn this down just a little bit so that you can hear me better. See, it does have cooled and heated seats in the front. As you come over here, you'll see it has 19,486 miles on this vehicle. There's your push to talk, your trip computer, along with, oh, you do have paddle shifters on this model. And then you have your stereo controls. And we're gonna come up here and close this up so that you can see that a little bit better. It looks like it's just where the zenith of the sun is. So if you wanna see the backup camera, we put it in reverse. There we go, and it has 360-degree cameras around it, which are very, very cool. Okay, and then you also have navigation, and you also have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. If we jump over there, those Bose speakers sound amazing. Okay, and then that'll be media from your phone. You have your push button start, and you have a phone charging station here, key fob, cup holders. Okay, and then additional stowage in here. Then you have your glove compartment down there, and your glasses holder right here. And this will have your controls for your sunroof. That about wraps it up for this Oldsmobile on the interior. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. It did have an accident with another vehicle in which resulted in miscellaneous damage to the undercarriage and various panels around the vehicle. The airbags did not deploy. There's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.